Welcome to Year 7 Maths. This is Lesson 1 in the Positive Integers course. In this lesson, we will be going over the overview of positive integers. Integers are everywhere in our daily lives. We use them when we count things, measure things, buy things, even sometimes as simple as setting the table for dinner involves using integers to figure out how many plates, forks, spoons, and knives we need for everyone at the table. Integers are easy to understand because they are just whole numbers. You can add them, subtract them, multiply them, or divide them to solve different problems. For example, if you have 4 biscuits and you want to share them with 2 friends, you can divide the biscuits into 2 equal parts, giving each person 2 biscuits. Understanding integers is important for many different careers, like being an engineer or an architect. Engineers use integers to calculate the strength of materials, while architects use them to measure distances and angles. Even in medicine, understanding of integers is important for calculating dosages of medication. But beyond just being useful for specific careers, understanding integers is also important for problem solving and critical thinking. By mastering the basics of integers, you develop a foundation for more complex mathematical concepts and real-world problem solving. So don't be intimidated by math. Integers are easy to understand and you use them all the time. By understanding how to use integers, you'll be setting yourself up for success in many different careers and developing essential skills for problem solving and decision making. What we're going to do now is we're going to do just a quick pre-test. Don't worry if you don't get these right, but what I'll do is I'll ask you to pause the video so that you can calculate these things for yourself, and then we'll reveal the answer. So, in our first question within the pre-test, this is for Year 7 Mathematics, positive integers. We're going to choose the largest of the following numbers. So is 5,656, 5,665, 5,566, 5,556, or 5,666. Now, pause the video here. Work out what you think is the largest number, and then restart it and we'll reveal it. Okay, now I'll reveal the answer. The answer is 5666. And the reason why is because the previous numbers, as you can see, the closest number that we've got to 566 is 5665, which is B. Okay, now state how many 3-digit numbers you can make from digits 6, 9, and 1, if you are allowed to repeat any digits. Okay, this is a chance for you to sit down, work it out, and write it down. Okay, pause the video here, and when you unpause it, we'll reveal the answer. Okay, the answer to question 2. If we have the digits 6, 9, 1, we can use them to create 3-digit numbers by combining them in different ways. We can repeat any of the digits as many times as we want. To figure out how many 3-digit numbers we can make, we start by thinking about how many choices we have for each digit in the number. For the first digit, we can choose any 3 digits, so 6, 9, or 1. For the second, we can also choose any 3 digits, 6, 9, or 1. And for the third digit, we can choose any of the 3 digits once again. To find out how many total combinations of 3-digit numbers we can make, we multiply the number of choices we have for each digit. That gives us 3. So we've got 3 in the first place, 3 in the second place, and 3 in the third place. So that gives us 3 by 3 by 3, which equals 27. So now we can make 27 different 3-digit numbers using the digits 6, 9, and 1, if we are allowed to repeat those digits. To make it simpler, we can list out all the combinations. They are, I won't read them out, but as you can see, each one increments the last number. and then increments the second number, and then increments the third number. And what you can see is we will get 27. Okay, the next question. Round 32,895 to the first digit. So, first digit. Now, what you do is pause here, work it out, and then we'll come back to it. Right. So, the answer. When we round a number, we change it to a nearby number that is easier to work with. We look at digits that is in a certain place to decide which way to round. In this case, we want to round the number 32,895 to the first digit. The first digit is the digit on the left-hand side of the number. The first digit is 3. To round to the first digit, we need to look at the second digit, which is 2. If the second digit is 5 or greater, we round up. If it is less than 5, we round down. In this case, the second digit is 2, which is less than 5, so we round down. That means we keep the first digit, which is 3, and make all other digits 0. So rounding 32,895 to the first digit gives us the number 30,000. Rounding can be a helpful way to quickly estimate a number, and it's used in many different situations like shopping, cooking, and budgeting. Okay, thank you very much for watching this lesson. Don't forget to visit our website www.voyagerschool.com.au for more valuable courses in more subjects for high school students. Come back for lesson 2. Thank you.